Hello and welcome back to another video. Various businesses leverage digital channels such as search engines, social media channels and other websites to connect with the current and prospective customers. A seasoned inbound marketer might say inbound marketing is quite similar to digital marketing, but there are some minor differences. So why do we do digital marketing? While traditional marketing might exist in print ads, phone communication or physical marketing, digital marketing can occur electronically and online. There are a number of endless possibilities, including email, video, social media, or website based marketing opportunities. Because digital marketing has so many options and strategies associated with it, you can get creative and experiment with a variety of marketing tactics. With digital marketing, you can also use tools like analytics dashboard to monitor the success and return on investment of your campaigns. This is slightly better than managing your traditional promotional content, such as billboard or print ads. How does a business define digital marketing? Digital marketing is defined by the use of various digital tactics and channels to connect with your customers, especially where they spend much of their time online, from the website itself to a business's digital advertising, email, online brochures, and beyond. There is a spectrum of tactics that fall under the umbrella of digital marketing. The best digital marketers have a clear picture of how each digital marketing campaign supports their goals, and depending on the goals of their marketing strategy, marketers can support a larger campaign through the free or paid channels at their disposal. So you might have a question that does a digital marketer have relevant experience in how to run social media campaigns? They know a lot about website management and other stuff. A content marketer, for example, can create a series of blog posts that serve to generate leads from a new ebook. The company's social media marketer might then help promote these blog posts through paid and organic posts on the business's social media accounts. Perhaps the email marketer creates an email campaign to send those. You can use the ebook as a hook to attract and gain the attention of your readers. We'll talk more about these specific digital marketers in some other video. SEO and content marketing. So how is SEO and content marketing related to digital marketing? SEO has three sections: on page, off page, and technical SEO. Whereas in content marketing, you have to use your blog post, ebooks, and infographics. Almost all social media platforms offer advertisements that you can place on their platform. These social media platforms include Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and Snapchat. What is pay-per-click? PPC, in other words. It is paid ads on Facebook, Twitter ads campaign, and sponsored messages on LinkedIn. There is also affiliate marketing where you can place an advertisement on your blog. What is marketing automation? This brings us to marketing automation. Automation is like an automated message that you receive on Facebook or email. It is something that you receive in your email inbox. For example, a newsletter is an automated message. Social media post scheduling is also another example of marketing automation. Email marketing is done with a list. Digital marketing can work for any business, in any industry, regardless of what your company sells. Digital marketing still involves building out buyers' personas to identify your audience need and creating valuable online content. Not everyone can implement a digital marketing strategy the same way. So what if you want to DIY or do it yourself? The kind of content that you create depends on your audience, their needs at different stages in a buyer's journey. You should start creating buyer's persona to identify what your audience's goals and challenges are in relation to your business. On a basic level, your online content should aim to help them meet these goals and overcome their challenges. Then you will have to see when they can consume this content and where they are in their buyer's journey. We call this content mapping. With content mapping, the goal is to target content accordingly, especially to the characteristic of the person who will be consuming it. That is where the buyer's persona comes into picture. How close is that person to making a purchase or life cycle change? Once you do this, then I have just the right video for you. I am directing you to another video on my channel, and that is on copywriting. So do watch that as well. That is a really good video for you, and you can start your digital marketing yourself. Thank you for watching this short video. Take care and have a nice day.